Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm actually gonna be doing a quick install. I'm gonna be replacing my third brake light on the 5th gen 4Runner. What you see back here is gonna be the clear OEM brake light. It's not an LED version, so I'm very excited to try this product out from iJDMTOY. I found them on Amazon, has pretty decent reviews, and it should be a pretty easy install. They do tell you not to use a drill, so make sure you use a regular screwdriver so you don't break any of the acrylic plastics housings here. Again, should be pretty plug and play easy. Let's go and take a look and I'll show you guys how the sequence looks. Now removing, you can use a drill. This is the iJDMTOY blacked out version. Let's go ahead and put a side-by-side comparison. This one feels a little bit heavier. There's an optional yellow light. I'm not sure what that is. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it off. You can just tuck it in. All right guys, let's take a look. This is the install. It's all smoked. It looks pretty nice. It was a little bit difficult to install. The holes just didn't really want to line up too well. So my suggestion is to keep it loose. Work on one side that seems to fit better. Keep it loose so that you can tuck the other side in and hopefully it can latch on to the hole. But once it does latch on, it is a nice snug fit. There is a slight gap that I did notice here. Just because I'm being picky. But to the naked eye, I don't think that's going to be an issue at all. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the LED sequence. I'm going to show you guys one more time. All right, as you guys can see, it does flash once. And then it keeps staying on like that. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you guys one more time. And once again. So pretty cool. It's all smoked out. The lights are very defined. I like the sequence. Let me know what you guys think. I'll drop a link below. I'll catch you guys on the next one.